So this new notes app called iremember makes it easy for you, if you're a student, to take notes. Now, there are some situations where this is by far the most convenient to use. And even though there are a lot of other notes apps out there, this one in particular stands out from the rest in terms of its practicality and convenience for students. And today, I'm going to show you what it looks like. But before I do, make sure to like this video and subscribe so that you can see more productivity related content like this. So here are some scenarios where iremember is useful if you're a student. Number 1, while taking notes in class. So, while you're in class, your professor is talking, there's a pretty big chance that you have your laptop out with your class material, assuming that's like the type of class that you're taking. Presumably, your school likely has its own school dashboard, like I do here. In that case, now simply click the R button in the bottom right corner, or if you prefer, use the side panel, and you can start writing notes within the scope of that website. So the next time that you visit that website, your school's website dashboard, your notes will be waiting there like it was before. Number 2, use iremember to remember logins. Now you can use iremember to store the logins that you have for your school portals. Put in, username, email combination, along with your password. Now, for those who have concerns about privacy, rest assured, iremember will not do anything with your personal data. What's yours is only for your viewing, and we do not do anything with that. But in any case, this is extremely convenient for the simple reason that you will see your logins right where the website is. Sometimes colleges have a lot of different website portals for different departments. So in that case, you can just put all those websites in a list and you won't have to find where they are. It's all gonna be there. You don't have to go to the search bar and look for the website. It's all in one scoop. Keep track of your tasks with Trello. Now, if you're someone who's using Trello to keep track of your tasks, iremember integrates with Trello so that you can keep track of all your Trello boards without actually having to go to Trello. So, that saves you one tab. You just look at it on the side, or you look at it on the floating panel. You just go to a red flag note object that represents a ticket, and from there, you can see all of the Trello lists on the Trello board that you made for your own school subjects, or maybe for other related projects that's in school. But in any case, you can see the Trello board. Now, if you're a student that is watching this video, hopefully watching this made you interested in using iremember. Now, if you are, there's a link to the Chrome extension below so that you can start using it. You can also visit our website for more previews and also our dashboard on the website. I'm your host, Hans Marcon. That's all for now. See you next time.